Kurumjaya, very good afternoon. You are watching Afternoon English Bulletin on SKTV and I'm Victoria Rajkumari. First, the headlines. Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand hails Union government's decision to constitute high-level committee to study demographic change in the country. MPCC President Okrami Bobi accuses BJP of taking country backward by focusing only on winning elections through investment of all its power. And retired IAS officer R.K. Nimai emphasizes need for establishing a regional party with selfless MLAs who think for welfare of the people. And now the top stories. Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand has hailed the Union government's decision to constitute high-level committee to study demographic change in the country, terming it historic and long-awaited step for Manipur and other border states. In a press release issued today, the Chief Minister expressed gratitude to Prime Minister Narendra Modi for launching high-powered demographic mission on August 15, 2025 and for subsequent approval of the initiative by Union Cabinet on September 11, 2025. The Chief Minister also appreciated Union Home Minister Amit Shah for recognizing demographic change as a serious issue connected to national security, sovereignty, law and order, social structure and protection of tribal societies. He assured that Government of Manipur will extend full cooperation to the committee, which will conduct comprehensive assessment of demographic changes occurring across the country due to illegal immigration and other abnormal reasons. The committee will be headed by retired Justice Prakash Prabhakar Navelkar and will include Census Commissioner along with retired IAS officer Durga Shankar Mishra, retired IPS officer Balaji Srivastava and economist Shamika Ravi as members. The Joint Secretary Foreigners 1, Ministry of Home Affairs, will serve as the member secretary. The committee has been tasked with submitting its report within 1 year, with the provision for extension up to 6 months if required. President of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC, MLA Okrami Bobi, has accused BJP of taking the country backward by focusing only on winning elections through investment of all its power. Okrami Bobi was speaking on the sideline of floral tribute ceremony to statue of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru on his 62nd death anniversary. Speaking further, Okrami Bobi said, prices of petrol, diesel and other essential items have been skyrocketed and the country has been demoted to 6th largest economy as BJP continues to focus on electioneering instead of engaging in governance. Speaking further, Okrami Bobi expressed dissatisfaction on lack of efforts from government in securing the safe release of hostages. He further asserted that both centre and state government must be held responsible for the unfortunate crisis which is unfolding in the state. In his address, Okrami Bobi also remembered contributions of late Jawaharlal Nehru during freedom struggle and also during his tenure as Prime Minister of India.
Sahi supase election si karmai toroga kari means toroga kari upai toroga power pain never kata khanba lepak si ki future ki plan future the kari wo the is khanda aduna ni matam ki oiba adu election kata karmai toroga mai pak na tawsi election si karmai toroga si kata tawba aduna plan kaya kari lakoi si tor di kari toroga hai bisi tahugda banu ni ngasi India da tongan mafam the petroleum ki product or gas ki product workers or hanalemba India ki mayam na su henan compare India si ahum chuba paidagi mapangan kan ba economy da karida yam mapangan ba wormudo project Japan UK, Germany overtake tawdana hanadi third largest country economically where sixth position ji handare machine yam samna hayda machine matam gi reforms kayama tawgada bokado mayam tawdana election khatada da moi my one ga lay lagi indagi film chi machi rise inflation khangde ama khangde in all respect ta no Gani Haibasi, Masini, Apoina Mayam, Tamjani,
Retired IAS officer R.K. Nimai has emphasized on the need for establishing regional party with selfless MLAs who think for the welfare of the people. R.K. Nimai was speaking during the opening day program of 3-day state-level seminar cum public discourse on the topic Manipur's pressing challenges, calling for a regional political alternative, which was organized by United Regional People's Platform today. Senior journalist Irengbam Arun, president of United Regional People's Party LC Somorendro, along with other eminent persons attended the program, which was held at Loktak Layanbi Yakapung, Chanura Laikol at Kurai. Speaking further, R.K. Nimai accused the centre of trying to placate crisis by providing financial assistance instead of showing accountability for the crisis. He also accused many MLAs and intending candidates come from contractor background. While highlighting the pain and suffering of common people in Manipur, R.K. Nimai asserted that centre has failed to perform its duties, while state government cannot perform its duties without the consent of centre, thus creating a vacuum for regional party and political landscape. While warning against self-serving people who could join the regional party, R.K. Nimai asserted that the regional party must be strict on its rules and regulations and must possess power to remove any of its members if they are found to be indisciplined or corrupt. He further highlighted the need for government to understand the needs of people and to work with sincerity by adhering to rule of law and without engaging in corruption.
Manipuri in the country, political distancing city, value chain, economics value chain, some good over there. There is exactly what was happening in the past. In the report for what country or was my thought the company coaching of football. Actually, value chain is that the moment over. Some kind because economy easy for the relation to further than we have. The explorer which are high in every object and heaviness of work and the never firing which are high with the initiative of the academics real needs classroom
All Manipur Nupi Marob AMNM submitted a memorandum to Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla today, urging immediate, concrete government action to resolve the state's prolonged crisis. The submission followed a mass rally that commenced from Irawat Bhavan, BT Road. Although security forces blocked the large procession near Lok Bhavan, they ultimately permitted a 5-member delegation to enter Raj Bhavan to deliver the memorandum. Speaking to media persons, AMNM President Sanjembam Sarojini condemned the government's failure to contain the crisis, which has claimed hundreds of lives and displaced thousands. She decried that the citizens of the region are forced to live under constant fear and uncertainty, citing severe escalation in violence over recent months, including the Tronglaubi bomb attack, the subsequent firing on civilians at the CRPF camp, the TM Kasom ambush and the coordinated attacks on 3 villages in Kamjong district. Sarojini also noted that the killing of 3 pastors in an ambush between Kotlan and Kotzim and the abduction of Naga civilians, 6 of whom remained in captivity. The AMNM president stated that the public have lost all faith in the present administration, noting that their memorandum also urges the governor to dissolve the current state legislative assembly so that the public can elect a new government capable of ensuring effective governance and restoring normalcy.
Toro Wabu Toki Wangang is justice, whose power Pamangam than a labor, Aduka Monakalan in a Pazan, a lady, but since you Saka, I to hide them. Sipuna Maxida Koi, all Manipur, Pimana Story, Punamaxia Koi Pende, Koi Manipur Sakasdi, Tarimba, what Audrabana, Pangaba, Pakumamata Laitraba, Isam Tong, Tarasangaba, Office Karasangaba, and a Karimata Udraba Sakara, Moira Manina, Moida, Koina, what Chalubi, Wapam City, Kogi, Yamlaka Tamgra. Zagi Punsimus Hulan Punsianga, Cambiru de Balegati, Tado Piro Hiber, demands a quite Udana, Hodishu Taubini.
Cookie's CSO's Working Committee Ukrul has strongly condemned the coordinated armed assault on Mongkot Chefu village on the evening of May 26 and urged immediate intervention from the state government and security authorities. In a statement issued by its Department of Information and Media, the committee alleged that civilian settlement came under sustained attack from 3 directions beginning around 6:45 p.m., reportedly involving armed positions near Utan Sarekong, Tangkilkul Police Station and Sikibung Lileng Ridge. The statement further claimed that sophisticated weapons, including mortars, were used during the assault, which allegedly continued till around 11:05 p.m. Condemning the repeated attacks on Kukizo inhabited areas in Ukrul and Kamjong districts, the committee questioned effectiveness of existing security arrangements and accused authorities of remaining passive despite recurring violence. The organization urged the government to provide decisive protection to vulnerable civilians and warned that continued inaction could severely erode public trust in neutrality and credibility of the state. It further appealed for urgent measures to prevent a further escalation and ensure safety and constitutional rights of affected communities. Civil society organizations, CSOs of Technopole district have announced indefinite economic blockade in the district starting from May 28, citing the prevailing volatile situation in the state. The organization said the blockade will continue until justice is delivered in connection with killing of 3 religious leaders of Kukizo community and safe release of hostages. The joint press statement issued by Kuki Chief Association Technopole, Kuki Women Union Human Rights Technopole District, Hill Tribal Council More, Kuki Students Organization Technopole District and MAWC Technopole leaders expressed support for initiatives taken by Kuki Inpi Manipur demanding judicial inquiry into the ambush and deaths of 3 religious leaders. The organization also urged the government authorities to conduct impartial inquiry into the incident and take necessary steps for safe release of hostages on both sides to promote communal harmony and justice in the state. Namdilong Women Development Society, based at Kanglatombi in Imphal West District, has issued a public warning amid continuing inter-district economic blockade enforced by United Naga Council along national highways passing through Naga-inhabited areas of Manipur. In an information notice issued, the organization stated that the blockade will continue until a safe release of hostages and alleged that some individuals were still transporting and supplying essential commodities to Kuki areas despite the ongoing agitation. The women's body strongly cautioned people to stop all forms of business transactions with Kuki community, warning that befitting punishment will be imposed against anyone found violating the directives. The organization also appealed to public to cooperate and extend support in greater interest of the community. Large numbers of women stay sitting at Samurao Awanglekai Community Hall today, condemning the government's failure to resolve the prolonged unrest in the state and demanding the immediate release of 6 Naga hostages. The protest was jointly organized by several civil society groups, including Amuko, Kohar, MSF, Amoba, PLM, PAM, Amalko and Malalpal. It drew widespread participation from women residing in Samuro Bazaar, Samuro Nauram Lekai, Thongkong Lakshmi Bazaar, Thiam Leishangkong, Naran Kongjing Takilambam Lekai, Oinam Saungbung and Sekmaijing. Demonstrators held placards featuring slogans such as "Don't kill innocent people," "Stop killing civilians by terrorists," "Stop proxy war and secretive policies," and "Long live Manipur." Speaking on the sidelines of the protest, Amalalpal President Longjam Chauba strongly criticized the government for its inability to secure the safe release of the 6 Naga civilians. She also condemned the recent escalations of violence, including the bomb attack at Chonglaubi, the subsequent firing on civilians at the CRPF camp, and the TM Kasong ambush, and the attacks allegedly carried out by the KNB and PDF across 3 villages in Kamjong district.
Hanagi matawgumna ningtamna legadabani haiba khongjang asida akoi lepkana changthalani thi hadik laiba sarkar sina miyeng changbiu natraga di akoi parjai mayam dina ihok tawrpa mayam da punamakta akoi lepkana saruk yaba yaujagani.
And now, before we move on to other news, let's take a short commercial break. We'll be right back. Keep watching SKTV News.
Kurai ahongai da leiba yung mamagi imung manungi thabakin khang tawba ngamba hanadagi sinfamas da leirakpa pukchil sengba chang naiba matam chana lakpa ngamba amadi honaba kanba miyoyama athuba da pamjai lu nan na imung gi thabak sing pangthokpa ngamba pijariba leifamasida panglap lapta da leiba miyoy na hena pamjai thabak ki pungfam amadi thagi tolok ki matangda khanaba yagani pambiba miyoy singna pijariba contact number 9612 477 597 number amuktang hananing singjeri 9612 477 597 sida call tawbirakpa yagani.
Great opportunity for local operators. SKTV is expanding. Come and be a part of SKTV revolution with high-speed internet, IPTV along with OTT and other benefits. We are building stronger connections through franchising. Become a local cable operator and provide reliable information and entertainment to your neighbors. Unlock your growth with our technology and top-tier service. So if you're looking for exclusive partnership opportunities, then please call us at 700-5259-437 or 897-420-9157.
Welcome back. You are watching Afternoon English Bulletin on SKTV. Now proceeding with other news. Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly, Thokchom Sktv'S and MLA K. Ravindra have extended warm greetings to the people of the state, especially Muslim community, on the occasion of Eid-ul-Adha. In his message, Speaker Thokchom Sktv'S conveyed heartfelt wishes for peace, prosperity, and happiness in every household. He urged the people to reaffirm values of love, empathy, and mutual respect, stating that such ideals are essential for collective progress and harmony in society. Meanwhile, MLA K. Ravindra described Eid-ul-Adha as a festival symbolizing supreme sacrifice, unwavering faith, and selfless devotion. He said the occasion highlights the importance of compassion, charity, and caring for the less fortunate. Calling upon the people to strengthen the bonds of brotherhood and unity, the MLA wished joy, good health, and prosperity for all. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC has also extended warm greetings to the people of Manipur, especially Muslim community, on the occasion of Eid-ul-Adha. In his message, MPCC highlighted significance of the festival, recalling the supreme devotion and faith of Hazrat Ibrahim, who was willing to sacrifice his son Ismail in obedience to Allah's command. MPCC stated that Eid-ul-Adha symbolizes sacrifice, compassion, faith and humanity, and urged the people of the state to embrace the values of peace, communal harmony, brotherhood and non-violence. MPCC also expressed hope that the festival will usher in lasting normalcy, unity and development in Manipur and inspire everyone to work collectively for peaceful and prosperous future. Civil society organizations and student bodies have extended warm greetings to Muslim brethren of Manipur on the occasion of Eid-ul-Adha. Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol KADA has extended greetings on the occasion and appeal for unity, peace and harmony among all communities. In its message, KADA urged the public to stand together in collective effort to restore normalcy and ensure a peaceful Manipur. All Manipur Muslim Organization Coordinating Committee Amukok has extended warm greetings to the people of the state on the occasion, expressing hope that the sacred festival will further strengthen the bond of brotherhood and unity among different communities and inspire people to work collectively towards restoring normalcy and lasting peace in the state. The committee also urged all sections of the society to uphold the values of compassion, sacrifice and mutual respect during the celebration. All Manipur Democratic Students Organization has extended its heartfelt greetings and best wishes to the people of the state, urging everyone to uphold unity, brotherhood and communal harmony during these challenging times. Reformist Students Front RSF also convey its warm greetings to the people of Manipur while stressing the importance of maintaining peace, understanding and social cohesion among all communities. RSF called upon the citizens to remain united in the interests of peaceful Manipur and encourage youths to contribute positively towards restoring of normalcy and development in the state. Security forces recovered huge cache of arms, ammunition, explosives and other warlike stores from forest area of Hankot village under Churachandpur police station in Churachandpur district on May 26. The recovered items include one MK2 rifle, one AK-47 rifle, 1.303 rifle, several country-made weapons, 2 SBML guns, 1 SBBL gun, 5 IEDs, wireless handsets, 1 country-made lethal launcher, live rounds, empty cartridges and camouflage items. In another operation conducted under Litan police station in Ukhrul district, security forces destroyed 1 illegal bunker at Fatlejang village and 2 others at Raungday, TM Kasong village. During the operation, 1 IED weighing around 5 kilograms, 2 pumpy guns, 2 Baofeng radio sets with charger, 3 live 12-bore cartridges and 12 empty cases of different calibers were also recovered. Security forces arrested 5 active cadres belonging to different underground organizations in separate operations conducted across Manipur on May 25th and 26th. On May 25th, 2 active cadres identified as Changumbam Nganbamite, alias Mairaba, alias Thoba, aged 21 years of Khanarok Mayai Lekai, Imphal East District, linked to RPF PLA and a juvenile associated with NRFM were apprehended from Mayai Kaithil near Forest Gate under Nongpok Sekmai Police Station in Thobal District. On May 26, security forces arrested RPF PLA self-styled captain identified as Ayekpam Dharmendra, alias Dhamain, alias Thawantaba, alias Brojan, alias Thawai Lakpa from his current residence under Irubung Police Station. A mobile phone and an Aadhaar card were seized from his possession. In another operation on the same day, an active PLA cadre, Waikom Shanta, alias Torbot, aged 32 years of Sabungkok Mamang Lekai, was arrested from Nongada Kameng area under Lamlai Police Station in Imphal East District. Meanwhile, security forces also arrested an active cadre of Pripak identified as Tingujam Gulapi, aged 45 years of Ningomthong Sairom Lerak, Imphal East District from Kakwa Lilando Lampak area under Singjomai Police Station in Imphal West District. A mobile phone, Aadhaar card and Hero Pleasure scooter were recovered from his possession. A joint initiative of Assam Rifles and Homeland Security is helping transform lives of Manipuri youths by providing skill development and employment opportunities in both armed forces and corporate sector. According to a press release issued by Headquarters Inspector General Assam Rifles South, Laishram Nongshaba of Pangantabi Makhalekai in Kakching District has been inducted as an Agnivir into the Elite Brigade of Guards Regiment of Indian Army after successfully completing a training under the program. The release stated that despite initial challenges in Hindi and English communication, Laishram received mentorship, tactical training and personality development support that enable him to clear army recruitment process. The initiative has also helped Ningthaucham Ranjit from Hairog, who earlier worked as brick factory laborer, secured a position as senior supervisor at corporate enterprise in Pune. Assam Rifles stated that the program combines its logistical and administrative support with Homeland Security's professional training modules to create employment opportunities and promote socio-economic development among youths in the northeast states. Proscribed KCP PWG MC Unification has issued a press note clarifying that the party has no involvement in bomb threat and gun attack incidents at the residence of Thokchom Brokjin of Basikong Bazaar and at the residence of Seram Roshni Kumar, which is located at Langjing Achoba Manunglek Kai Lerak number 6. In a press release that was issued by PRO Chinkhe Nganba, the party has further urged any groups involved in planting the bomb to come forward and claim responsibility for their actions. Further, it warned against gangs which are trying to tarnish the reputation of people who are fighting for freedom. An enrollment and renewal drive for Ayushman Bharat PMJAY health card beneficiaries under the Singjomai Assembly constituency commenced today at the Maibam Chaugthoi Singh Memorial Community Hall in Singjomai Thongam Lekai. Speaking on the sidelines of the event, Sarat Chandra Thokchom, convener of the BJP Manipur Pradesh Medical Cell, stated that the drive aims to register newly eligible individuals who were previously left out and to renew existing cards. He urged the residents of Singjomai AC to take out full advantage of these health card benefits, reassuring the public that the drive will continue for up to 20 days if necessary to ensure every deserving individual is enrolled.
Ayushman Bharat ki card angawdaba angriba an pairaga update tawdaba adagi akhoi senior citizen 70 plus ki leiriba anjingi card paidaba mayamdu ngasidagi enrollment tawba ngasidagi hojabani aduga leptana KMBC ki ek noidri phawba mitani chambi ai kunni chambi ai continuously adi khata na health card se akhoi singami praja singi hallaga akhoi honorable chief minister akhoi chiri kepchana akhoi nitana raga KMBC ki sabam thokpa thabe aban.
Churachandpur Forest Division organized a program on alternative livelihood interventions and agroforestry support targeting poppy-affected villages at its office today with the aim to provide alternative livelihood other than poppy cultivation. Conservator of Forest, Southern Circle, Arun R.S., Churachandpur DFO Abhijit, along with other officials and frontline staffs attended the program. During the program, chicks, ducklings, livestock feed, along with seeds and plants were provided to the villages of G. Moljiang, Swangkwang, Haupi Molen, T. Jogjang, Tingjangjang and other villages residing in and around Dampi Reserved Forest. Speaking in the program, Conservator of Forest Arun R.S. highlighted the role of villages in conservation of forest. He also inspected the tree saplings that were planted by the villagers at Sangang region. Later, he also interacted with the villagers and encouraged them to pursue other means of livelihood other than cultivation of poppy. In continuation of its effort to keep the environment clean and free of plastics, Eco Network Manipur have been collecting plastic items at its center located at Hairok Part 1 with the aim to reuse and recycle them. Speaking in this regard, members of Eco Network Manipur have highlighted negative effects of plastic pollution on environment and long-term health hazards it poses to various species, including plants, animal and human beings. While appealing for collective efforts in ensuring a clean environment, Eco Network Manipur has also urged people to create circular economy by reusing and recycling waste. It also urged the government and relevant departments to take up necessary steps to stop plastic pollution. Teachers and non-teaching staffs and members of Student Union of YK College paid a final tribute to their principal, Professor Kundrakwam Jugindro, who passed away in wee hours today. The condolence event was held at Seminar Hall of YK College today, with attendees paying floral tribute to the portrait of late Principal Jugindro. Attendees also observed 2-minute silence in honor of the departed soul. Speaking on the sideline, Head of Physics Department, YK College, Associate Professor O. Binoy Kumar remembered the contributions of late Principal Professor K.H. Jugindro to YK College. On the other hand, Thoubal College Teachers Association also organized a condolence meeting at Thoubal College to mourn the demise of Professor K.H. Jugindro.
Professor K.H. Jugindro Sinana, Sundatagi Academician Wayna Natta, Administrator Amawayna Su, Tail Sutena, Tahimani Magna, Wayne, Principal, Kadigumba, Tasueva, Aranba, Ahoba, Amata Yogana, Nasiba, Kat Piramdaga, Wazana, Ekoi Kwai Punaku, Tado Piramda Bagasu, Wazana Lamzing Piramba, Wazana Single Piramba, Sadak Piramba, Puleza Sige, Awata Pamaya, Wazagi Mangan, Umdamak Ado, Apoy Mayam Sangana, Mapung Hana Pankopam Nanavagi, Puiponazage, Wazagi, Hawaii Mirena, Apoy Tobzan, Bidaku.
Civil society organizations, Women's Organization of Manipur have condoled the demise of former chairman of Film Forum Manipur, Kangembam Kuleshwar, who passed away on May 20th. In a joint press note, Amkhil, Nupi Samaj, Damichingmi, ANANL, Imphal, Anil Bishnupur, Thoubal Ima, Ichal and UPF Manipur expressed heartfelt condolences on the demise of Kuleshwar, who had also served as the president of AMSU in his lifetime. While terming his death as a big loss for Manipur, the organizations have also prayed for the departed soul of Kuleshwar and expressed solidarity to the bereaved family. New Public Higher Secondary School Kangabok held a condolence meeting today to mourn the passing of Professor K.H. Jugindro of Kangabok Maishtamlikai, who served as the secretary of the school's governing body. In a press release, the school informed that the general body members, teaching and non-teaching staffs and students observed a 2-minute silence to honor his memory and pray for his eternal peace. And now the weather report. According to ICAR Regional Center, Imphal state's maximum temperature was recorded at 31 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was 19.5 degrees Celsius. The maximum relative humidity was measured to be 88% in the morning and 53% in the evening today. And before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand hails the union government's decision to constitute high-level committee to study demographic change in the country. MPCC President Okram Ibobi accuses BJP of taking country backward by focusing only on winning elections through investment of all its power. And retired IAS officer R.K. Nimai emphasizes need for establishing a regional party with selfless MLAs who think for the welfare of people. Well, that's all we have in this afternoon bulletin. Thank you for watching SKTV News and keep watching for more news updates. Till then, have a great evening.